Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like and leave a comment in the comment section below. The first increased interest rate as of yesterday, but the increase of interest rate didn't really do enough harm to the market. Instead of we seeing red candlesticks, we started seeing bullish candlesticks. So right now let's take a look at Solana. Let's look at the next direction of Solana, the best case scenario and the worst case scenario, and what to expect in the future. We'll be using our support and resistance, our trend lines and price pattern, and some indicators, so we can clearly see the future price of Solana. So right now Solana is creating a falling wedge. That's what you can see with these two blue lines. That's what you can see. Yes, these two blue lines. So those falling wedge normally are pattern reversals. So when you see the price go down very sharply, you see how it starts to form a slow movement, a slow down trend, and these are periods of accumulation. So buyers are accumulating Solana. So in the future, we expect Solana to go very bullish, to our resistance level. So that's our resistance level, our major resistance level. So this resistance level is at $121. So this is our support level, our very major support level, and is currently at $75. Generally, our trend line is still very much active, which is this. It's still very much active. You can see the touches already, with one touch here, 2 and 3. So that's our trend line. So in the worst case scenario, what do we expect from Solana? We expect Solana to go down, break our support zone, then come down, maybe break and retest our support zone, and come back to this our trend line. And I believe when it gets to our trend line, it won't go any further. It will just rebound back to the upside. So in the best case scenario, which we all want to see, Solana will test our major resistance point, which is the one I'm clicking on the screen, and it will head up to $155, which is our next, which should be our next resistance. So right now, let me use our RSI to know where next our Solana will head to. So using our RSI, which is one of our best indicators, our RSI is indicating, okay, our RSI is at the neutral zone, but it's indicating an upward movement. And this is caused by accumulation of Solana. There has been so much accumulation of Solana over time. You can see with this accumulation zone, let me call it that. This our falling wedge is usually accumulation zone, when buyers are accumulating a lot for Solana for money, for price to go up and they cash out. So let me use other indicators like, let me use a stochastic RSI, which is also very reliable. Okay, you can see we are still bullish on the stochastic RSI. So I expect price to move up to this our resistance point, which I just clicked. If we break the line, the resistance point, it will likely retest before going to this major resistance. So I want you guys to do your own research on Solana and see a nice entry position, but I still remain bullish on Solana. Personally, I hold some units of Solana and I want it to be bullish. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks.